Hello GI TV Uncut, this is Harrison with Airsoft GI from the online sales department, and today I'm just going to be going over a quick little troubleshoot that we run into from time to time, and that is the front sight on the G&G Combat Machines, some of their Raiders, essentially sliding off. It's not a huge problem, not a big deal, it's a pretty simple fix, but let's go ahead and get to it. So what I've done here is I've essentially broken it down completely. With the main components of the barrel. I have the front barrel assembly, the outer barrel cover, the fake gas tube, the 4 Allen screws, don't lose these, and the front wire assembly with my 2 handguards, and of course the tool that I need is my Allen. So what we'll do first is we'll go ahead and take you through the steps. So first, the easiest thing to do is assemble the barrel. First we're going to go ahead and take the outer barrel into the barrel assembly, stick it in. Now there are 2 sides that look identical and they do line up, however it appears that one will essentially line up a little bit better because you can actually see where the screws previously made their marks. So I went ahead and found that out on this side. Then next we're going to put the handguard cap on, just drop it on. Now, once we do that, we're going to go ahead and you can see that it spins freely. After we do that, we're going to twist the cap until we can see the threading on the barrel. Now, I tried doing this earlier without doing that and it doesn't work very well, so it's probably the easiest method. Then we're going to take our Allen, we're going to take one of our Allen screws, put it on there. I'm going to go ahead and just get it in, screw it in. That's one side. The next side, you just repeat the same step, turn it so you can see the threading. Get your Allen. Now, like I said earlier, be careful not to lose these because they're not fun to find. As you can see, I just dropped it and that could have been bad. So I'll do that. I'm doing this a little bit more difficult of a way to show you guys. So I'm going to screw it in nice and tight. Next, we're going to go ahead and turn the handguard cap so we can line this hole up, the front sight, so we can slide our fake gas tube in. It's pretty simple, just drops in, and you're all set. Now you do want to make sure that the gas tube does look like this, or goes straight, curves up, and goes straight again. Pretty simple. Then go ahead and just slide the outer barrel assembly back onto the front of the gun and line it up here at the delta ring. Now on the delta ring you're going to want to make sure that it lines up in the appropriate spot, as well as lines up on the hole on the actual delta ring. Now you probably can't see it, but you will see it when you're actually looking at it. Then, once you get everything lined up, go ahead and start trying to get it in. Now sometimes this can be a little difficult, where it just kind of doesn't want to go in. Mine, luckily, was kind of nice. So it may require a little bit of extra force, just be careful and be patient. Then we're going to go ahead, get our Allen again, one of our grub screws here, and put it into the threading right here. Screw it in, flip it over, and just do the same thing for this side. Everything's nice and tight, not going anywhere. I do suggest you periodically kind of check, make sure everything's in there, because screws will back out, they will loosen up. I don't suggest putting any sort of adhesive on there, just because in the event that you need to work on something, you want to switch it out, that's just more of a headache. So just check it out periodically and keep it tight. Then we're going to go ahead and just put our Wire back on red, black on black. Handguard in. Just gotta get it lined up. Here's one side. I want to get our wire tucked in there. Lined up. And we're set. And that's pretty much it. If you do have any questions about this video, feel free to comment below. Do subscribe to us so we can continue to make more of these videos. If you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call, or you can always email us at sales@airsoftgi.com. This is Harrison, and hope to hear from you soon.